And I've seen also that the team was deciding to kill the game. And I have said that several times, when we are ahead in result, then you have to kill the game. And we did it, and in spite of killing the game, you create chances, and that we have done. So I'm happy. We have 3 points, and we are staying 2 points behind the 4th place, I believe. So it's in our hands, and that's important.
That's the best opportunity I've had to beat Man United, if I'm honest. You know, the run that they're going through, and I think the chance, which was the best chance of the game, really, with Fraser Campbell. I think that was the one opportunity. I said that if we could get in front, the crowd would be very restless, and I just felt that, you know, and almost sat down and blew me here because when that chance came and was missed, because it would put a lot more pressure on the side then, because they're expected to beat Crystal Palace, aren't they? But I thought we were solid today, back to being solid. You know, it was nice to see us, you know, not gung-ho like we've been the last few weeks.